Hi there, friends. Welcome to our amazing ABC action adventure. Today, we're going to learn about fun actions from A to Z. Get ready to move, imagine, and explore all kinds of exciting activities. Let's jump right in. A is for asking questions like, what's your favorite color? Arranging things like toys in a row, and applauding, clap your hands to cheer for your friends. Yay! B is for bouncing a ball, blowing bubbles, pop, 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 and building with blocks. What can you build today? C is for clapping your hands, catching a ball, and coloring beautiful pictures. D is for dancing, twirl around, digging in the sand, and drawing your favorite animals. What will you draw? E is for eating yummy snacks, exercising by stretching your arms, and exploring new places like your backyard or a park. F is for flying a kite, whoosh, folding paper for crafts, and fixing things like a toy. You're a little problem solver. G is for gardening, plant a flower, giving a gift, and grabbing a ball in midair. Great reflexes. H is for hopping like a bunny, helping someone with their chores, and hugging your family tight. I is for ice skating, glide and slide, imagining magical adventures, and investigating things with a magnifying glass. What can you discover? J is for jumping as high as you can, juggling balls or scarves, and jogging in place. Let's get moving. K is for kicking a ball, knocking on a door, and kneeling to tie your shoes or look at something closely. L is for laughing out loud, ha ha ha, learning something new, and lifting something light like a toy. M is for mixing colors to make new ones, marching like a soldier, and measuring ingredients for baking. Yum! N is for nodding your head to say yes, noticing small details, and navigating your way around a room or map. O is for opening a door to adventure, organizing your toys, and observing nature. What do you see outside? P is for painting with brushes, pointing at something interesting, and playing your favorite game. Q is for quieting down with a whisper, questioning everything to learn more, and quilting, a fun sewing activity. R is for running as fast as you can, reading a good book, and rolling on the ground for fun. S is for singing your favorite song, skipping around happily, and shaking your body to music. Woohoo! T is for throwing a ball, turning in circles, and talking to your friends. What do you want to say? U is for unwrapping a gift, using tools for crafts, and unlocking your imagination to create something special. V is for visiting a friend, volunteering to help out, and vacuuming. It's so satisfying to clean up. W is for walking to explore, waving hello to friends, and writing your name or a story. What will you write today? X is for shing, crossing the street safely, X-raying in pretend play, and xylophone playing ding, ding, ding. Y is for yawning when you're sleepy, yelling hooray when you're excited, and yanking something with a quick pull. Z is for zigzagging around obstacles, zooming fast like a race car, and zipping up your coat. Great job, everyone! You learned so many actions from A to Z. Can you think of more fun things to do with each letter? Keep exploring, playing, and moving. See you next time on our ABC adventure. Bye for now.